degreaser overnight. Got a lot of the grease and yuck off. All right, well, welcome back to Big Bert's Adventures. Yep, we got the 250 years America coming up, and you guys were kind of moving back into the Cadillac. I know everybody wanted a video update, so this is kind of where we stand right now. I've got the inside pretty well cleaned up. It's been sitting out here for a while, so it's a little dirty. I still have the glass to clean up from the windshield, and then I have to clean and spray the roof. We've got the hood off, and we've got the trunk lid off. I'm in the middle of repairing the trunk lid at the moment, so but we've got everything pretty much organized in here. I've got a couple of dashboards I'm working on, and then we've got all the parts organized here in the garage. So these are from the top end of the engine. Radiator's out. You can tell it needs a new radiator. It's done. So the lines also broke off for the transmission cooler. And this is kind of where we sit. I've had it jacked up for a little while. We've got the engine sitting here. I've got the first valve cover off. Here's the other valve cover. I believe it's going to come off today, so I'll try to get that done. And then kind of for a smaller project, because I'm still in recovery, so my energy level and my resiliency is very low. So I'm just going to, this video is going to be about the valve covers, cleaning them up, getting them sprayed down, and then just showing you what I'm going to do with them. And we're going to yank this engine eventually when I get recovered. I've got the cherry picker here from Harbor Freight. Again, I just recovering from a little bit of a medical emergency, like I said, and it's going to be a few months before I can fully recover from that. But never give up, never surrender. And I know you guys wanted a Cadillac video. I did too. I do too. So here you go. There's your Cadillac video. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll bring you along. Okay, so here's the first valve cover. I've cleaned it up quite a bit. It had a ton of gunk from 1962 to now. It does say Cadillac on the valve cover, which is totally cool. You can still see there's a lot of junk, so I'm going to hit it with some more brake cleaner, clean it up, and then spray it. But what I want to do is tape off these letters and get them white. And so I'm gonna tape these off and then spray this down. I am gonna keep these ridges here blue. The only thing that's going to be on the valve cover white is these. This is going to be with high heat paint, so that's to be expected for a valve cover. And again, I'll bring you along. Well, we're back here while we're letting the other valve cover dry. We're trying to get this other valve cover off. So I've removed that bracket, as you guys saw, and then I've got to get to these 6 bolts to get the lid off, or 4. There's just 4, and then wiggle that out of here. So that's what I'm gonna do next. All right, you guys, I've painted the first valve cover. Let's see how it's turning out. This is the third coat. Yeah, it's looking good. Get that shadow out of there. Yeah, that looks really good. Yep, it's gonna turn out. Got the sun baking it for me. Yeah, I know how to do stuff. Let's get this other valve cover out. All right, well, we got the second valve cover off. Check that out. Oh, it is nasty. Look at the buildup there. Holy. You can barely see the Cadillac. Oh, it's disgusting. See if there's any damage. Yep, don't see any damage. Looks pretty normal. The gasket is definitely needing to be replaced. There we go. Let's clean it up. All right, this is the one that's been cleaned and painted, and this is the one that just came off. Woo. All right, so you guys saw that I got the left valve cover off. I let it soak in Simple Green degreaser overnight. Got a lot of the grease and yuck off, and then we're just going to spin it. Try to get all this, it's just really nasty. I'm going to try to get all that off today. All right, well, we got the grease and the paint, all that off of it. Now it's down to bare metal. Now you can see the stripes and the Cadillac. Looks pretty good. You can see if there's maybe some valve lifters hitting the pan. There's these 7 symbols. There's a symbol, there's a symbol. But yeah, so get it down to bare metal, and now I'm just going to paint it with the high heat blue, and yeah, we'll take you to that point. All right, so here's the right side that I've already painted, and here's the left side that I cleaned up. Let's get to painting this guy. All right, so there's the first coat. Let's pull it out here in the sun. Yep, there's the first coat. Just laid a nice thin coat of paint on. Get it out here in the sun so it'll dry, and then we'll knock it out about 3 or 4 coats. It is high heat paint, rust stop, all that kind of stuff. They use it on tractors that sit outside, so that's what I need, is high heat, stop the rust, no clear coat needed, and it's got a little bit of twinkle in there. All right, we got the second coat on. I'm gonna let it sit out here and bake to see how it got darker. Yeah, it looks awesome. All right guys, listen, that's all we're doing on this video today. I wanted to do the white letters and the stripes, but I'm tired. Again, I'm still recovering from a medical issue, and I can only do this a little bit at a time, but I just wanted to do something while I'm recovering, and part of it is editing these videos So I just want to get a Cadillac video out to you guys. Thanks for everybody who's been subscribing. We're almost at 800 subscribers. We're almost at 480,000 views. And thanks for supporting the channel. I'll do more with the Cadillac as I recover and I get energy and everything. Don't worry, I am resting quite a bit. Everything's on the up and up. It's just, it looks like I'm in a 3 to 6 month recovery. Stress, driving, and just having enough energy to do these things is wearing me down. So, but I just still want to be here for you guys, still want to be here for my family. And, you know, for the meantime, I still want to be here working on the Cadillac. It's a good project, and hopefully I will be able to get her done this summer. So give me a share, like, subscribe, all those things. And you guys have a wonderful day, and we'll see you on the next one.